To connect TikTok with PayPal, you need to have a TikTok account and a PayPal account. Start by opening the TikTok app and going to your profile page. Tap the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and select Creator Portal. In the Creator Portal, tap on the settings icon and select Wallet. If you don't see the wallet option, you may need to update your TikTok app or wait for the feature to be available in your region. In the Wallet section, tap on Add Payment Method and select PayPal. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to log into your account. Enter your PayPal email address and password to authenticate. Once you have logged into your PayPal account, you will be asked to authorize TikTok to access your account. Review the permissions and tap Agree to continue. After authorizing TikTok to access your PayPal account, you will be redirected back to the TikTok app. Your PayPal account should now be linked to your TikTok account. You can verify this by going back to the Wallet section and checking if your PayPal account is listed as a payment method. It is essential to note that linking your PayPal account to TikTok allows you to receive payments for your TikTok services, such as creator fund payments or branded partnerships. Make sure to review TikTok's terms and conditions and PayPal's user agreement to understand the fees and requirements associated with receiving payments through PayPal. By following these steps, you can easily connect your TikTok account with PayPal and start receiving payments for your TikTok activities. Remember to keep your PayPal account information up to date and secure to avoid any issues with your payments.